Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of days, I've been letting you know about the white flash issues in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, where, as an example, if we head into Google Chrome and we open up a new window, you can see that white flash, and that's just one of the white flash issues that's prevalent in both browsers. And I'll let you know in a video I posted a day or so ago that the first traces of the fix are now available. Now I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more info. And then a couple of days ago as well, because as I mentioned, I've been posting about this quite frequently over the last few days. A couple of days ago I also mentioned that there was a white flash when minimizing and maximizing Microsoft Edge. So there's a white flash, there's the white flash. Now it seems that Google Chrome had the same problem, because if we head over to the stable version of Google Chrome and I maximize and minimize flash, it happens a lot quicker than it does in Edge. Flash. So there you go, you get the idea. Now, it does seem that the Chromium team is also going to fix that issue. And in Chrome Canary, when maximizing Windows, it's been replaced by an opaque background with the browser's theme color in Chrome Canary, which is currently sitting on version 135. So here's Chrome Canary. There's no flash. Happens very quickly, but there's no white flash. Let's go back to stable. Flash. So you get the idea. So it seems that that's also now into testing. So Chromium team finally starting to actually make some headway with this, because white flashes are prevalent in both Edge and Chrome in different aspects and components of the browser. So go check those other videos out, and this seems to be another issue now being addressed. And when these fixes eventually do roll down to the stable, which I'm sure they will, I'll try and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.